to today's striking and fielding game called Clap Catch. In this game, all you will need is one ball per 4 to 6 students. We have one thrower and then 4 to 5 catchers stood in an arc around the thrower. The thrower then throws the ball underarm randomly to any of the catchers. If the ball is thrown to any of the catchers, they must clap once before catching the ball. If the catcher drops the ball or forgets to clap before catching it, they are temporarily out of the game and must sit down. If one of the catchers that's still in the game claps twice before catching the ball, they can then bring the person that sat down back into the game. If they clap 3 times before catching the ball, they can then bring 2 people back into the game. The aim of the game is for the thrower to try and get all of the catchers to be sat down and out of the game. If they do that, they win. If the catchers survive the time limit, then the catchers win. Here are some adaptations for you to consider. We hope you had fun in today's game, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one.